Hi everyone, welcome to Cooper Middle School and 7th grade English. We are 3 of your English teachers this year. I'm Mrs. Day.
I'm Miss Maxwell.
And I'm Mrs. Aldini.
This summer, you are going to be required to complete 3 assignments for your English class. One involves reading, one involves writing, and the third is a cumulative rating check. In order to access this information, you are going to need to go on Cooper's website at www.fcps.edu/CooperMS. Here's a picture of it here. On the website, you will be linked to our English department website that will have all of the information that you need. In order to access this website, you need to be logged into your FCPS Google account. In case you don't remember how to log in, your username is your FCPS student number at fcpsschools.net. Notice that there are 2 S's with FCPS schools, and it's .net, N-E-T. Your password is the same Google password that you used last year. Again, make sure you're signed into this in order to access your FCPS Google account and our English website. So this is our Summer English Review website. If you look at the left side of the screen, you will see your 3 assignments, your reading, your writing, and your cumulative rating practice. You can also see the links to those here. Notice over here that 2 of them have arrows next to them. You need to click on those arrows to expand in order to get to different pages. Right now we're on the page for the reading assignment. So if you look at it, you will see that you are required this summer to read 1 book and complete a graphic organizer about it. It can be fiction or it can be nonfiction, but it only needs to be 1. If you're not sure what book you want to read, we have some tips for you, and we also have a website to give you some ideas of really fun books and other books that are similar to them that you might be interested in. Additionally, we have some book trailers that students have made. You can watch those to get an idea of a book you want to read as well. Make sure that you scroll down on this page to get to the graphic organizer. If you read a fiction book, you're going to complete the fiction graphic organizer. If you read a nonfiction book, you're going to complete the nonfiction graphic organizer. Remember, you only need to do 1 of them. This assignment will be due during the first week of school. Remember, this is our first impression of you, so you want to do your very best work.
Right now we're on the writing assignment page. For your summer writing assignments, we're going to have you review some of your basic grammar and usage rules. These are skills that you should be comfortable with from elementary school, but we don't want you to forget them over the summer months. So you'll need to look at the skills that are on the left hand of the page underneath that little tab drop-down menu from writing assignments. There are a couple of them that you can see right now. Let's go ahead and click on the affect versus effect and take a look at what this entails. Okay, so now we're on the affect versus effect page. You'll see that there's a video here. We'd like you to watch each of the videos that you see on the page. So they'll give you some extra guidance on how these rules are used. We even have one from our very own science teacher here, Mrs. Hale, so you'll want to make sure that you watch that one. After you've done that, you'll see that there are a few rules that you want to read over, and then there's a quiz at the bottom of the page. Make sure you write your first name and your last name, and then continue to fill out the quiz. At the bottom of the quiz, there is a submit button. Make sure you submit that button or else we can't see your work.
For the writing review cumulative practice, you're going to take all of the skills that you've just used and combine it into one more activity. Go ahead and fill out your first and last name, your email address, and then continue to show us what you've really learned from this review. Good luck!
Thank you so much for participating. We're excited to see you in September.